In this short video, I'll show you how to make someone an admin of a WhatsApp group. Admins have special roles that regular participants don't, such as managing group settings and removing members. It's a great feature to give someone more control over the group, but you need to know how to do it right. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate WhatsApp group management, including solving issues related to admin roles and permissions. Together, we'll explore how to assign admin roles and manage your group more efficiently. Stay with me until the end to discover how to remove an admin from a WhatsApp group. Now, let's get started on how to make someone an admin of a WhatsApp group. To start, open WhatsApp and head over to the group chat you want to manage. Once inside the chat, tap on the group name at the top to access the group info page. Scroll down, and you'll see a list of all the participants in the group. If you have many members, you can use the search function to find a specific participant quickly. Once you locate the person, tap on their name, and from the menu that pops up, select Make Group Admin. This will immediately give them admin privileges. They will now have the power to add or remove members and adjust group settings. You can make multiple admins, and there's no limit to how many admins a group can have. Admins can even manage other admins. Before we continue on how to assign multiple admins at once, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more WhatsApp tips. Now, let's continue with WhatsApp group admin settings. If you're creating a new group and want to assign multiple admins at once, here's how. Go to Group Settings. Tap Edit Group Admins. Next, select multiple participants, and when you're done, click the green checkmark to confirm the changes. But what if you want to remove admins from the WhatsApp group? No worries. In this video linked here, I'll show you the easy steps to remove someone as an admin from a WhatsApp group. Tap to watch it after this. To explore more helpful video tutorials, check the description below and subscribe to our channel. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. For more WhatsApp video tutorials, click this card. Thank you for tuning in.